Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. This is earwax removal vlog number 116. This is the patient's other ear from vlog 115. Again, you're seeing a lot of dead skin in the ear, and we're going to be pulling this all out, and we're going to get a lot of these ribbons of long skin chunks. As we look down the patient's ear, we're actually going to use the curette to start peeling some of this dead skin off the ear canal wall in order to get it to come out. If you want to see this patient's other ear, please take a look at vlog 115. It was posted last week. I'll put a link up here in the description. All right, you can see that as I've used the curette, I'm actually pulling it away from the wall. You see it all separated. We've totally lost view of the eardrum, and that's okay, because we know it's back there, and we know that this skin, this dead skin, is all attached to the side, so we need to get it out. We're going to come in with the alligator forceps, attempt to get this skin out. Hopefully it comes out in a large chunk. Nope, it broke in half. As you can see, we still have a bunch of this kind of hanging out here. So as we grab this, we're still hoping we can get it to come out in those really long ribbons, because that's very satisfying. If you like these wax removal videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm. It keeps me motivated to put out this content for education and entertainment purposes only. All right. I'm going to get in here, and we're going to keep using these alligator forceps, trying to get this skin out of the ear. This patient comes in to see us about every 6 months, and their ear generally looks very similar to this. You see that all come out, giving us a great view of the ear. This has been You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.